During the early 20th century, as America was going through the Progressive Era and finishing up our little phase of imperialism, Europe was building towards the First World War. Influences like imperialism, same thing America had been experiencing, countries wanting to grab more territory. Influences like nationalism, the desire of different ethnic groups to have their own nation. Some of them are wanting to build a nation, like Germany, bringing their different city-states and countries and provinces together to make a nation. Italy doing the same thing. In other places, places like the Austrian Empire now being torn apart by all the different ethnic groups wanting their own nations. Nationalism is shaking up Europe. And then thirdly, militarism. European nations building up their armies, just itching for a fight. Nationalism, imperialism, militarism. These things, together with the alliances that we're building because of all these activities in Europe, are leading them down the path to the First World War. Over here in America, we're still sitting this thing out. We don't think it's our problem. It's a European war. But as you're going to learn about in this unit, eventually events start to influence us. German submarine attacks, the sinking of the Lusitania, eventually an attempt by Germany to get Mexico to attack us and keep us from being able to enter the war in Europe. All of those things are eventually going to lead President Wilson to ultimately declare war on Germany. And we'll see the United States enter into the First World War. So as you look at this unit, look at the reasons the U.S. comes into the war. Look at how the U.S. participates in the war, which is going to be a kind of a small preview of how we'll participate in World War II. And also look at Wilson's plan for how to make this war the war to end all wars with his 14 points for peace.